So this was all in research. Most of the things I talked about have been in research. We took parts of it that were more mature and ready to be productized, and we announced the preview of Azure FarmBeats last November. As part of what we've announced in Azure FarmBeats, as you can see in this figure, everything in blue is what is Azure. Everything in yellow is what's built by partners, and everything in this shade of green that you see listed as FarmBeats is what we're building as part of FarmBeats. So as you can see, we are taking a very partner-led approach. The way FarmBeats works is it's available in Azure Marketplace. Anyone who's using Azure is Microsoft's cloud offering. You can go to the Azure Marketplace, install FarmBeats. Once you install FarmBeats, it sets up two resource groups. One is called the Data Hub, the other is the Accelerator. And this runs in your subscription. So Microsoft doesn't see any of this data. This data is sitting in your subscription, only you have access to it, unless you decide to give access to anyone else. As part of Data Hub, then you can create a plot. A plot is essentially a polygon. And for that polygon or a shapefile, you can then start adding sensors to that Data Hub. The sensors, like for example, on the bottom left, these are some of the sensor companies that we support are Davis Instruments, Bessel Instruments, and you can start adding them to Data Hub. You can add drones to your Data Hub as well. Like this would be for the plot, you can say, you can then add any of the drone partners that we have. For example, we support DJI, Parrot. These are all big drone companies. EarthSense, which is a robotics company, Slant Range, which is again a drone camera company. We support satellites as well. That is, for that particular plot, we then bring in satellite data. We can bring in weather data, for example, from NOAA and other partners, all in one place in Data Hub. Data Hub can be accessed using APIs. It is also integrated with notebooks. So anyone who's a data scientist knows how to use Jupyter Notebooks. So with the integration with Azure Notebooks, you can then start using all the data that is aggregated in one place and start writing your AI machine learning algorithms on top of it. So our accelerator comes with device management, code for visualization, and some AI machine learning models as well. And the way it gets to the grower is through these circles that you're seeing on the top right. These are again built by partners. Microsoft, we can build the tools, but the actual agricultural expertise comes from partners who are in this space who would build these solutions on top. So for a farmer, they might never be knowing that they're using FarmBeats behind the scenes because of it goes to the growers through partners like yourself.